Well, these daredevils took advantage of the powerful winds, hitting 8-foot waves. NBC2's Gabrielle Dawkins shows us how kiteboarders are enjoying this winter storm.
With a windy day like this, people are flocking over to Marco Island so that they can pump up their kites and get in on the fun and also start kiteboarding.
Oh, I mean, we're gonna go kiting. It's super windy. We've been kind of dying to get out in the water.
Men from Broward County, Miami, and France took on the waves. They kept a close eye on the weather for the past 3 days.
Because we're on the East Coast and the wind is blowing the other way. So that's why we come over here.
With the right winds and still waters ahead in a lagoon, they said that it feels like they struck gold.
A massive rush and ridiculous. Like, you'll skip a beat.
Well, everything happens so fast, you just got to hold on and go along for the ride.
The wind is traveling at about 30 to 40 miles per hour at the Marco Island beach.
This is for really advanced riders. That's what conditions are today.
Federico Basuri, an instructor for kiteboarding, says that although the conditions are a little harsh, it's a lot safer to go out as an advanced kiteboarder.
With full equipment, we got helmets, knee pads, impact vests, flotation vests, It's become really, really, really safe as opposed to how it was when I started 10 years ago.
But hopefully nobody gets hurt out here today and everybody has fun.
The kiteboarders told me that they plan on being out here for the rest of the day. In Marco